This classic Vermont farmhouse on Route 108 in Cambridge blends the character of the 1880s with the comfort and updates today's buyers are looking for. Inside, historic charm shows up in all the right places. Warm wood details, inviting living spaces, and a layout designed for gathering. The oversized kitchen with a large island flows easily into the dining and living rooms, creating a home that feels both welcoming and practical. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms plus a flexible bonus room perfect for a home office, reading nook, playroom, or dressing space. The screen porch may become your favorite spot in the house. Overlooking gardens, listening to summer rainstorms roll through the valley, or catching a glimpse of the northern lights on a clear Vermont night. Outside, more than 4 acres provide room to garden, relax by the fire pit, and enjoy the peaceful setting. The Lamoille Valley Rail Trail borders the property, while Smugglers Notch Resort is less than 15 minutes away for skiing, hiking, and year-round adventure. All just minutes to Jeffersonville Village, with Morrisville close by for shopping, dining, and everyday conveniences. 2419 Route 108 North, a home filled with history, warmth, and Vermont lifestyle.